Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, June 13. The National Works Agency NWA is gearing up to implement a multi-million-dollar flood mitigation program in 4 western parishes. The work is in preparation for the 2016 Atlantic hurricane season, which started on June 1. Approximately $14 million will be spent cleaning several critical drains in flood-prone areas of Trelawney, Westmoreland, Hanover and St. James. Among the drains that are being targeted are those along the Shettywood Main Road in Hanover, the Margaret Gutter in Westmoreland, the North Gully in St. James and the Troy Drain in Trelawney. A draft submission has been prepared seeking Cabinet's approval to purchase new buses for the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC. Transport Minister Mike Henry made the announcement as he contributed to the sectoral debate last week. He said provision had already been made in this year's budget to add 35 new buses to the JUTC's fleet. The ministry is, however, looking to buy 270 new buses and is proposing other measures to improve how the bus company is run.
Cabinet is being asked to consider budgetary support, which relates to also the special consumption tax and the ad valorem tax associated with the purchase of fuel by the bus company.
Minister Henry said government was also looking to rehabilitate buses using Brazilian technology. Meanwhile, another cabinet submission is being prepared, seeking approval to develop the Portmore Transportation Hub on undeveloped lands owned by the UDC at the Portmore Town Centre.
The Portmore Hub is estimated to cost just over £47 million. The hub is intended to improve the service planning of the JUTC by reducing the number of kilometers travelled and associated costs while increasing the passenger load factor of each trip.
It is anticipated that the hub will encourage some commuters who now travel via private transportation to use the public transportation system. $30 million has been allocated by the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information to reactivate an early stimulation program for children from birth to age 3. The program is being implemented in partnership with the Ministries of Health and Labour and Social Security. It's intended to intervene in the lives of children before they enter the formal education system to determine if they have any special needs. State Minister Floyd Green made the announcement in Parliament last week.
This will go a far way in positively impacting the early brain development of our children. The research is there. Now it's time to act. We are changing the game.
Government has moved to tackle lifestyle-causing non-communicable diseases with the launch of the Health Supervised Practice Program. The training program is a partnership between the Ministry of Health and the Jamaica Association of Professionals in Nutrition and Dietetics, JAPNAD. It will provide professional-level certification as a prerequisite for licensing to nutritionists and dietitians who have not participated in a professional internship. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the program is especially critical given that nutrition-related chronic diseases are topping the island's disease profile.
The Caribbean, and particularly Jamaica, has had limited cohorts of professional internships. And this, of course, is a deficit, has created a deficit in the cadre of professionals available to the health services over the years. There is a clear need, therefore, to strengthen this area as non-communicable diseases, NCDs, are the leading threat to Jamaica's productivity and development.
Dr. Tufton says government will continue to roll out programs to deal with unhealthy eating habits on the island. And finally, the Ministry of Sport, in partnership with the Tourism Ministry, will set up its usual Jamaica House in Rio for the upcoming 2016 Olympic Games. Sport Minister Olivia Grain says the initiative will showcase the best of Jamaica's culture while enticing more tourists to come to the island. She was speaking with the JIS News on Saturday while attending the inaugural Jamaica National Racers Grand Prix Track Invitational at the National Stadium.
What you will be offered at Jamaica House is what Jamaica has to offer in its diversity. Culture, entertainment. The athletes will from time to time be there. On the last night we hope to have a really big party celebrating Usain Bolt's birthday. Even if he's not there, we're going to celebrate his birthday. And we expect to showcase some of the best internationally renowned Jamaican artists.
Some of the world's most elite athletes, including our own Usain Bolt and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, were major winners at the international meet. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.